Welcome to Bright Minds Quizzes. In today's quiz, we challenge your knowledge on a variety of fascinating topics. Let's see how many you can get right. Share your scores in the comments section and subscribe the channel for more quizzes. Ready? Let's start. Which is the longest river in India? Brahmaputra, Yamuna, Ganga, Narmada. The answer is Ganga. The Ganga River is the longest river in India, flowing over 2,525 kilometers. The Indian National Congress was founded in which year? 1947, 1901, 1920, 1885. The answer is 1885. The Indian National Congress was founded in 1885 and played a major role in India's independence movement. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bhagat Singh. The answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as the Iron Man of India for his role in the unification of India. The capital city of Maharashtra is Pune, Mumbai, Nagpur, Nashik. The answer is Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra and the financial capital of India. Which is the smallest state in India by area? Goa, Sikkim, Tripura, Manipur. The answer is Goa. Goa is the smallest state in India by area, covering approximately 3,702 square kilometers. The first woman to receive the Bharat Ratna was Indira Gandhi, M.S. Subbulakshmi, Sarojini Naidu, Mother Teresa. The answer is Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa received the Bharat Ratna in 1980 for her humanitarian work. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Subramania Bharati, Sri Aurobindo. The answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore wrote the national anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Venus, Jupiter, Mars, Saturn. The answer is Mars. Mars is known as the red planet due to its reddish appearance caused by iron oxide. What is the currency of Japan? Yen, won, dollar, euro. The answer is yen. The currency of Japan is yen. In which year did India win its first Cricket World Cup? 1975, 1992, 1983, 1996. The answer is 1983. India won its first Cricket World Cup in 1983 under the captaincy of Kapil Dev. The Golden Temple is located in which city? Amritsar, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata. The answer is Amritsar. The Golden Temple, also known as Harmandir Sahib, is located in Amritsar, Punjab. Which is the national flower of India? Rose, lotus, marigold, sunflower. The answer is lotus. The lotus is the national flower of India, symbolizing purity and beauty. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Fe, Ag, Pb, Au. The answer is Au. The chemical symbol for gold is Au, derived from its Latin name aurum. Who was the first president of India? Jawaharlal Nehru, S. Radhakrishnan, Rajendra Prasad, Zakir Hussain. The answer is Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India, serving from 1950 to 1962. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Hyderabad, Chennai, Pune, Bengaluru. The answer is Bengaluru. Bengaluru is known as the Silicon Valley of India due to its role as the nation's leading information technology exporter. The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, was founded in which year? 1969, 1950, 1975, 1980. The answer is 1969. ISRO was founded in 1969 and is the space agency of the Government of India. What is the main ingredient in traditional Indian drink lassi? Mango, yogurt, water, tea. The answer is yogurt. Lassi is a traditional Indian drink made mainly from yogurt. Which Indian state is known as the land of five rivers? Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan. The answer is Punjab. Punjab is known as the land of five rivers because of the five rivers that flow through it. Who is the author of The God of Small Things? Salman Rushdie, Arundhati Roy, Vikram Seth, Chetan Bhagat. The answer is Arundhati Roy. Arundhati Roy is the author of The God of Small Things, which won the Booker Prize in 1997. The Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? 1876, 1764, 1857, 1757. The answer is 1757. The Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757 and marked the beginning of British rule in India. Which is the largest desert in India? Thar Desert, Rann of Kutch, Deccan Plateau, Kholistan Desert. The answer is Thar Desert. The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, is the largest desert in India. The famous dance form Kathakali originated in which Indian state? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. The answer is Kerala. Kathakali is a classical dance form that originated in Kerala, known for its elaborate costumes and makeup. Which Indian state is the leading producer of tea? Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Kerala, Assam. The answer is Assam. Assam is the leading producer of tea in India, known for its rich and strong flavor. The Gateway of India is located in which city? Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai. The answer is Mumbai. The Gateway of India is an iconic monument located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Who invented the first successful airplane? Alexander Graham Bell, Thomas Edison, Nikola Tesla. Wright brothers. The answer is Wright brothers. The Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur Wright, invented the first successful airplane in 1903. The national animal of India is lion, peacock, elephant, tiger. The answer is tiger. The tiger is the national animal of India, symbolizing strength and power. Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? Kosi, Yamuna, Ganga, Narmada. The answer is Kosi. The Kosi River is known as the sorrow of Bihar due to its frequent floods that cause extensive damage. Who is the current Prime Minister of India? Rahul Gandhi, Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Arvind Kejriwal. The answer is Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi is the current Prime Minister of India, serving since 2014. The festival of Diwali is also known as Festival of Colors, Festival of Lights, Festival of Harvest, Festival of Music. The answer is Festival of Lights. Diwali is also known as the Festival of Lights, celebrated with lighting lamps and fireworks. What is the official language of Nagaland? Hindi, Bengali, Nagmise, English. The answer is English. English is the official language of Nagaland, used in government and educational institutions. The Nobel Prize in Literature 2020 was awarded to Kazuo Ishiguro, Louise Gluck, Bob Dylan, Elise Munro. The answer is Louise Gluck. Louise Gluck won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 2020 for her unmistakable poetic voice that with austere beauty makes individual existence universal. She is an American poet known for her emotional intensity and technical precision. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in which year? 1929, 1919, 1942, 1947. The answer is 1919. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in 1919, where British troops killed hundreds of unarmed Indian civilians. Which element has the atomic number 1? Helium, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon. The answer is hydrogen. Hydrogen has the atomic number 1, making it the first element on the periodic table. The Quit India movement was launched in which year? 1930, 1942, 1945, 1950. The answer is 1942. The Quit India movement was launched in 1942 by Mahatma Gandhi, demanding an end to British rule in India. Who is the founder of the Reliance Industries? Anil Ambani, Dhirubhai Ambani, Mukesh Ambani, Neeta Ambani. The answer is Dhirubhai Ambani. Dhirubhai Ambani is the founder of Reliance Industries, one of the largest conglomerates in India.